Are unreliable health tactics affecting your family? You feel like you're trying too hard and making it worse? Children feed their curiosity and desires and are turned off by conflict or demands. Threats and bribes cause your child to mistrust you and reject the healthy foods you put on their plate, no matter your intentions. Power struggles produce devastating results when a message comes across the wrong way. But there's massive potential when the message is clear and compassionate, and Tiny Green Chef shows you how. Your family's health shouldn't be threatened because of a faulty approach. Try Tiny Green Chef's plant-based cooking program for kids for 30 days money-back guarantee and witness your child enjoy plant foods and develop lifelong skills for healthy decision-making. The right approach clears up confusion and the work's done for you. Your child, a natural scientist. Your kitchen, a natural lab. No need for elaborate strategies for them to care about health. Just follow the lessons. Try Tiny Green Chef now.